Figure 03 is a humanoid robot developed by Figure AI, designed to perform general-purpose tasks in human environments. It represents the third major prototype in the company's development roadmap and focuses on commercial-scale deployment, improved autonomy, and enhanced manipulation skills. Figure 03 robot is designed for mass production. Figure AI is scaling via factory to produce a large number of units. Use of cost-efficient manufacturing techniques potentially lowers per unit cost. It can do pick and place, material handling, assembly, or machine loading. Because it's human-sized, it can work in environments made for humans. Figure 03 robot uses a vision language action AI architecture, which allows it to understand verbal commands, perceive the environment, and act intelligently. Figure 03 robot can learn from human demonstrations via VR or real-world video to generalize tasks. Their fingertips can detect very small forces,